Hello everybody, welcome back to Shiny Seekers. Today we're opening up this Stellar Terra Pikachu Collector's Chest. Inside it's got 3 foil cards, 6 different booster packs, looks like there's Stellar Crown, Surging Sparks, maybe some more, can't figure out what's in the back there. And then it looks like it's got a coin and all the usual stuff. Let's get it open and see what's inside, shall we? Pretty handy little collector's briefcase. I think I've already got one. I used to store jumbo cards, but never hurts to have something solid to collect in. So, got the Terra Pikachu on the front. Yeah, nice little collector's chest. Let's pop it open, see what's inside. So we got the 3 promos and the coin. Got the Ogerpon with the Teal Mask that was on the back. Ooh, it's a bit stiff, that coin. You got the Dipplin and the Pikachu, and they've got this normal, the sort of common promo holo that you see at the moment. Let's get them to one side. So yeah, we got 2 packs, Surging Sparks, Twilight Masquerade, a Stellar Crown, Temporal Forces, and another Twilight Masquerade. Let's get that out of the way. We've got a little sticker collection. The Terra Pikachu is really cool. That's quite hard to get out. Let's try not to bend the stickers. What's under that? It's quite heavy. Oh, you've got quite a few stickers. Oh, big Ogerpon. Nice. Very nice. And then you've got this little card collector. Let's see. Yeah, mini binder there. Let's see. Let's get the packs open. See what we can. See what we get inside. Let's start. Let's start with the Surging Spark, shall we? Let's just clear the deck. Start with the Surging Spark. See what we get. Execute. No big cat there. Let's keep it moving. Twilight Masquerade. Let's hope for a big hit somewhere in there. I think this retails for 40? Or is it 30? I can't remember. I think it's 40. Which is a bit steep, but let's see if we can get a hit. I mean, you get the briefcase, you get the promos. Boom, Vulpix. We got the Blissey EX. Okay, Stellar Crown's up next. What have we got left? We've got another Surging Sparks at least. We've got another Twilight. Let's see. Lapras. Melmel. Second EX. So second and last Surging Sparks, I believe. Makes sense to include a few of these with Pikachu being the face of the collection. Oh, basic energy. Let's hope. Let's see what we get. Oh, oh, see something. Palisand EX again, but at least it's terrestrial, right? Last up, Temporal Forces, the easiest pack to get in the shops right now, but let's rip it, why not? See, you never know. Jumper, nothing good there. Last pack, second and last Twilight Mask. Let's hope and pray. So far just 3 EXs, but that's often how it goes, isn't it? Let's see if we can have some of that last pack magic. Let's see, the luck's not been with us. Puccina. Good it. Teal Mask Ogerpon. Well, he's on the collector's chest, so that makes sense. No Pikachu though. No big Dipplin card, but our sort of big hits were just EXs. So nothing amazing out of that. But thanks for watching, guys. Check us out on YouTube, whatnot, Shiny Seekers. Like, favorite, and subscribe. Check us out. Check out our streams and our videos. And catch you next time. Bye.